Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified. I'm Advocate Kritika here today again with a new video all about how to use schedule, annexure, exhibit, appendix in contract. Here we'll be more specifically studying how to name a certain document either as a schedule, annexure, exhibit or appendix. And this thing we'll be studying with an example. So using these things like schedule, annexure, exhibit, and appendix in contract is a common practice to organize detailed information, provide clarity, and keep the main body of the contract concise. And here is a guide how to effectively use them. Before we jump into the topic, if you would like to get notified about new article and updates related to the contract via WhatsApp and email, please fill below the form. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Contract Simplified. I'm Advocate Kritika here with a new video all about how to use schedules, annexure, exhibit, and appendix in contract, and we'll be studying the same with example. More fully, we'll be studying how to name a certain document as one of the above. Using these in contracts is a common practice to organize detailed information, provide clarity, and keep the main body of the contract concise. Here is a quick guide how to use them. Before jumping to the topic, if you would like to get notified about the new article and updates related to contract via WhatsApp or email, please fill the form below. Don't worry, your data is safe and shall not be compromised. This link you can find even in the description below, or else you can even contact me via WhatsApp in the number that has been provided in the screen. Moving to the first one, we will be studying about the schedules. Schedules are integral part of a contract that contain detailed provisions directly related to the main terms. Example, property located at so-and-so address shall be rented for a period of so-and-so rental period, commencing on start date and ending on end date at a monthly rental rate of the rental amount. The property includes dash 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 as detailed in Schedule A. Here we are providing the description of the property in Schedule A. Moving next. Annexures are supplementary documents attached to the main contract. They provide additional information that supports the contract. They are integral to the main terms. Example, statement of work or SOW means each document described as a statement of work, a sample form of which is included as Annexure 1 to this agreement, which shall govern the specific services to be performed by the provider under this agreement and the terms thereof. So here you can see the template of SOW is referred as Annexure 1 to the MSA. Next, let's move into exhibits. Legally, an exhibit is a document or object presented as evidence in court during a trial. In contract, exhibit can include instruments, notices, standalone agreement, or any other document the parties anticipate will be necessary to fulfill the intent of the definitive agreement. Exhibits are often used to provide essential supporting information that is referred within the main contract. For example, the company's HR policy is attached here to as Exhibit 1. This exhibit outlines the company policies and procedure regarding employee conduct, benefit, and responsibilities. The HR policy, as detailed in Exhibit 1, is an integral part of this employment agreement and must be adhered to all employees. So here Exhibit 1 is the HR policy, which is a standalone document. That is, it is effective even without the employment agreement as well. And it has the same value. And its value is not derived from that employment agreement. It has its own value. Next, we have appendix. There are supplementary material at the end of the document or book providing additional information that enhances the reader's understanding, but it is not essential to the main text. In contract, appendix provide extra detail or clarification. Example, the glossary of the terms used in agreement is provided in Appendix 1. The appendix contain definition and explanation of specific terms and phrases used throughout this master service agreement to ensure mutual understanding between the parties. So here appendix is usually the glossary, and also sometimes it is the in dissertation and all, when we write, we used to write the references that we have made and all the literature review credit, all the other things that will be in Appendix 1. By using schedule, annexure, exhibit, and appendix effectively, you can keep the main contract concise while ensuring all necessary details are clearly documented and easily accessible. This approach enhances clarity, reduces ambiguity, and helps in maintaining an organized and comprehensive contract structure. Each type of attachment serves a specific purpose, such as providing detailed terms, supplementary information, evidence, or additional procedure, which streamlines the contract and makes it easier to navigate. Ensuring that all attachments are clearly referred, consistently formatted, and thoroughly reviewed by all parties prior to signing enhances the contract's effectiveness and enforceability. Ultimately, this practice fosters transparency, reduces misunderstanding, and supports a more efficient contract management process. If you have any questions or require any additional information, please feel free to reach out to me via WhatsApp at 9945893415. And if you have watched this video till this end, that means that you found this video informative and this contract is a subject that interests you. So here you are at a very right place. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel Contract Simplified. And also, as mentioned in the starting of the video, if you would like to get notified via email and via WhatsApp, please do fill that form, and the form is in the description. And if you're not able to find there, you have my WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp me over there. Once again, thank you for watching. And yes, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then please do like and also let me know your views about this particular video in the comment section.